Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable TalkBack on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! So first you want to go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll all the way down and head into accessibility. And right at top of the accessibility we have our TalkBack. We can click it and now we can click use TalkBack. We'll have to give away the full control of our device to the TalkBack. So we hit allow. Okay, can I will not do that. I will not do that. Okay, so TalkBack tutorials are always the worst because the TalkBack just keeps talking back, you know. But the whole point of TalkBack is that it will basically speak forever about everything else that's happening on the screen, and it will basically kind of alter the way you're using the phone, because now I can't really do anything. So as you can see, there's only these amounts of buttons. If I want to actually go into a different button, I have to click it once. So it will basically tell me that it is the settings. Now I have to hit double tap in order to actually get inside the settings themselves. We can also leave this and enable TalkBack shortcuts. I will hit got it. And this little shortcut will just enable us. Okay, fine, get your notifications, whatever. Oh, and you can't use gestures apparently, that's sad. Yeah, TalkBack actually screws up the gestures, so keep that in mind. But anyway, using the TalkBack shortcut, we can actually toggle on and off TalkBack within ease. So for example, we can just activate it somewhere else. And oh, it actually did not work. Excuse me. Okay, now it did. So as you can see, having the shortcut is a really handy option. Please shut up. Please shut up. Having the shortcut is really handy, and lets us activate TalkBack and deactivate it whenever we want to. So I will just hit it I will double click it in order to disable it. And I will disable the shortcut so I won't activate it by accident. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.